Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will add the player UI. Okay, we will show the player rifle information right here, and also we will show the health bar, and then in the future videos we will add the mobile inputs. So for now let's change this to from game mode to simulator, and here is the Apple iPhone 6 for testing. Okay, you can select any other phone if you want. There are many options in here, but for now we will leave this as it is. Make sure that you have turned on the safe area and work inside this safe area. So let's first of all add our player health bar. So for that, open up your browser and search for this beautiful progress bar 3, which is on the Unity Asset Store. Here is the URL for it if you want it. This is the developer name and this is the size of it. I have already added this to my assets, and you will do the same as well. And after that, click on this open in Unity, then open Unity editor, and it will open up the package manager. Then just simply download it first of all, and after downloading click on import. We don't want the scene folder in here and also the scripts folder. We just want the prefabs and the progress UI materials. Okay, so just click on import. Let's now close that. Here is the progress bar. You can use whatever you want inside of there, and this is the prefabs as you can see. So basically I have already created a player health bar in my previous project, so I have just copied that from that project and we will use that health bar in this project as well. So you will find this player UI, so just simply go ahead and download this and then drag and drop this inside the project. So let's scroll down actually, and in the prefabs folder drag and drop it. Now click on prefab. Here is the player UI, and what we can do is to simply drag and drop it right here. And now at the bottom, as you can see, this is the player health bar. Let's actually click on that, prefab unpack completely, and let me tell you that this health bar has the same source images, which is from this package which we have recently added. Okay, so you can change this to whatever you want. For example, if we select now this fill, as you can see, you can change them accordingly of your choice, because there are many beautiful bars. Okay, so I will use the same. Okay, but now we need to change this a little bit. So if you go inside 2D mode, then click on player UI. Here is the health bar. If we change the value of it, as you can see, we can change the value of it as well. Okay, from here let's remove this health bar icon, and now as you can see, there it is. Let's now move this to the middle. Let's actually click on this react transform, then hold down the alt button and select bottom center, and as you can see, it is right here in the center. Now let's turn on the gizmos so that we can see the canvas. Okay, let's move this a little bit up there like that, and then right down below right here we will show the ammo, or you can say the rifle information. Okay, so we have added the health bar, and as you can see, it is working as well. So now we need to type a script for this as well. So for that, if you click on scripts right here, let's create a new script by the name of health bar. Press enter, then click on player UI, then health bar, Then just simply drag and drop this script in there. And now let's just open this up. Right here, let's remove these two functions and let's create a public reference to our health bar slider. So we'll say health bar slider, and this will be actually a reference to this slider, okay, this health bar. And guys, since we are dealing with the UI, so at the top make sure that you type using unity engine.ui. Okay, after that let's create a function. So you'll say public void, name this as give full health. Let's pass a variable to it by the name of float health, and basically we will pass a value to this float health from the player script. Okay, we will pass this present health right here. Okay, as you can see the player health is 1000 F, so right here the present health is equals to player health, so now present health is 1000 F, so this float health will be also 1000 F. And then we want to show the health bar using the health bar slider, so we will say health bar slider dot max value, and this max health value will be equals to health, and also the health bar slider dot value will be equals to health as well. And let me show you what this means. Now as you know, this health will be 1000 F, so right here this will be the maximum value. When we play the game, this max value will be equals to 1000 F, and then this value will be also equals to 1000 F, so it will show the health bar like this. Okay, let's go back. For now, as you can see, this is 1 1, and after when we play the game, then this will be equals to 1000 F. Okay, so now after that we want to decrease the health as well. So for that, let's say public float set health. Okay, we want to set the health whenever we are hit by the enemy. So for that we will say health bar slider dot value will be equals to health. That's it. So now let's pass the values to this health, okay, from our player script. So for that, if you go to the player script right here, first of all at the top we will create a reference to the health bar. So let's say public health bar, let's name this as health bar as well. Then as I told you, whenever the game starts we want to give the full health. So for that right here we will say health bar dot give full health. Okay, this is this function give full health. So give full health, and let's now pass the player health variable. So player health. So now whenever the game starts, this health bar slider maximum value will be equals to player health, okay, which is 1000 F, and this value will be equals to also 1000 F. And now as I told you, right here we will decrease the health, or you can say that whenever the enemy hit us we will decrease the health. So for this we need to pass this present health. Okay, so now if we scroll down to the player health script right here, whenever the player take damage, then we will say player dot set health. Okay, this is the set health function, and right here let's pass the present health now. That's it. Let's get back to the this script, and right here change this to void because it is not a float, it is void. Save that, get back to Unity. Now click on player. Okay, as you can see it needs the health bar, so let's now drag and drop the health bar in there. That's it. Now let's play the game, and you will notice that now the health bar slider is saying that object reference not set because we didn't added this slider. So if you open this up, actually this slider is right here. Okay, so just drag and drop this slider right there, and that is it. Now if you play the game, you will notice this maximum value will be 1000 and this as well, as you can see. Let's get back to 3D mode. Let's focus upon the player. Okay, there he is. Let me actually now play this in game mode because we don't have the mobile inputs for now. And you will notice that now whenever the enemy hit us, our health will be decreased. Okay, this enemy is hitting me, but I don't know why my health is not decreasing. Let's see. Okay, if you can see, it shows shooting clear. But I guess the reason behind this is if we open up this enemy, as you can see, this enemy will hit our player, and his player is not set on this enemy. So make sure that you set this as player. Okay, and now if we play the game, now you will notice that whenever the enemy hit us, it will give us a damage. There is the enemy. As you can see, now our health is decreasing, and now we are dead. So now you know that the health bar is working properly. Just make sure that you make this is clear true on that enemy which will shoot the player. Okay, so with this done, catch you guys in the next one.